Hello, good morning. Sobke welcome gure ase achilaga khobor janai de ase. Lekham Busti under Mukokchung district April 5 laga rati de BJP candidate laga supporters aro independent candidate Tusi Kapa laga supporters majo de chagra ulai gana ekjon manu muri ja laga incident support STO aro returning officer nokpai konyak pra idu laga rati de ki hoise idu incident support press statement issue guri dishe. Taibra janai de ase ke April 5 laga sam 3 baji nishna de BJP candidate laga supporters aro independent candidate Tusi Kapa laga supporters majo de jagra olaishe koi ase hoilebi police kan bra intervene gura BJP situation do ele control de ani dishe hoilebi idu laga same rati around 9 pm aro 11 pm de PC pia bra jagra aro olaishe koi ase ekta candidate laga supporters kan do ele pathor khuli aro dusra weapons kan thuri kana achanak pra hamla gurishe kushe tai khan bra tate poi thakia manu kan ge PC pia bra pathor marishe koi ase idu de tinjon manu do ele PC pia bra chokam gurishe kushe chokam ba manu kan do ele district hospital Mukokchung de emergency treatment karni lui jeshe kushe hoilebi ekjon manu do ele PC pia bra chokam gura karne dusra district de treatment karni lui jai thaka homoy de muri jeshe kushe tai laga nam do ele Emrong Sangba Imjin goi kana jane bole parishe idu laga incident support FIR register guri kana ase kushe aro law laga hisab de legal actions lobo karne initiate hoise goi kana bi janai dishe idu laga situation sai gana district magistrate Mukokchung bra 28 Koridang Assembly constituency laga under de thakia laga tinda busti de night curfew bi lagai dishe kwa bi janai dishe Mukokchung de 28 Koridang Assembly constituency laga by elections to April 9 bra suru guru bole ase idu karne Deputy Commissioner and District Election Officer Ajit Kumar Verma ba chagali janai de ase ke 28 Koridang Assembly constituency de 48 hours to silent period hobo koi kana janai dishe Deputy Commissioner bra taibra janai de ase ke elections to free and fair aro peaceful bra lobo karne sob necessary arrangement do ele kuri ase ushe candidate aro dakhan laga supporters noile public kan ge janai de ase ke silent period noile model code of conduct laga key provisions ase do ke strictly ba comply kuribole laga janai dishe idu laga homoy de election laga mamla opor de eku camping kan nathakibo koi kana janai dishe Wuka district laga SP ba choagali khobor dia laga sabte janai de ase ka Wuka district de in Migration and Foreign Act 2025 laga section 6 8 9 aro 10 doele lagu guri dishe goi ase notification issue gora ke janai de ase ki Wuka district de kiman da foreign nationals kan ahi aha loko de foreigner registration officer loko de takhan aha laga register kuribole laga janai dishe accommodation dia manu khan ge bi janai de ase ke chidi foreign case kan ase kushikole do takhan laga janकारी dibole laga janai dishe university education institution noile alag meeting bodies kan ge foreign students kan ase gole do takhan laga details kan dibole laga bi janai dishe hospital nursing home medical institutions kan chidi medical dia ase gole noile lodging facilities kan ge foreign kan poi ase kushikole do taikhan laga informations kan dibole laga janai dishe accommodation laga malik khan ge janai de ase ke form 3 aro form C do hele takhan check in aro check out kura loko de within 24 hours laga macho de submit kuri dibole laga janai dishe idu laga sob process to hele online brai hobo goi ase aro physical form do hele chidi online service kam nokurile hi idu time de hi submit kuri bole laga janai dishe SP ba janai de ase ke idu laga measure enforce kura do hele public laga interest security aro national regulation loko de comply kuri kana ase gushe aro sob stakeholders and accommodation providers noile institution noile medical facilities dia kan sob ke janai de ase ke idu laga rules obode eku exceptions na thaki kana strictly bra follow kuribole laga janai dishe New Market Timabur April 6 laga sam de 40 sal bura ekta bra 20 sal chukri ekta ke molest kura laga opor de Timabur police camera accused manu ke arrest kuri she koi ase accused manu laga nam do ele tablis alam goi kana jane bole parise edu laga incidents to ele tupi nala police point laga osor de around 8 pm de hoishe goi ase kote maiki do ele tai laga brother loko de chuli kati na kor wapas jai thakya laga homoy de accused manu bra chukri laga private part de hat pra chishe goi kana janai dishe Edu laga incident support New Market Business Welfare Committee kan ke report kurishe koi ase aro members kan bra accused manu doile thuri kana takal laga office te loi anishe goshe committee kan bra chanai de ase ke accused manu doile edu laga incident hwa time de thik pra nisa hoi kana thagishe goshe aru tai khan goshe ke accused manu doile Bihar de thakya manu ase aru tai Holy Cross Police Point laga osor de tailor de kam kuri ase goshe victim laga families kan bra police station de FIR file kurishe koi ase aru police kan bra chanai dishe ke woman police personnel kan bra accused manu doile custody de lui lushe aru further investigation noile necessary legal procedures kuribo karne West Police Station de lui jashe koi kana janai dishe Delhi Police laga anti-human traffic unit kambra mission safe return koi kana 5 days special operation gura ke pacha khan melai kana 34 jon manu harai jai thakya khan ke trace kuribole parishe koi ase special drive toile Deputy Commissioner of Police Vikram Singh laga direct supervision laga hisab de March 31 de launch kurishe koi kana janai dibole disha Police kambra preliminary investigation de chanibule para toile bishi bak manu khan doile family laga dispute noile personal issues kan thakya bra nijo laga khor chari kana jaga khan thagishe koi kana janai dishe Disnubu district Manipur de joa gali that 7 laga morning de bombra hamla gura ke tuita bacha ke murai dishe koi ase edu laga incidents toile tonglaubi awang like busti de that 7 laga morning 1 am nisna de manu humai thakya ram de suspected cookie militants kan ba bombra hamla gura ke 5 years old chokra ekta aro 5 months chukri ekta taijon ge morai dishe koi ase aro taijon laga ama doile jogam baishe koi kana janai dishe edu laga incident hwa laga bichi de dangor protest kurishe koi ase osor de thakya laga CRPF camp laga properties kan bhangai dishe koi ase aro gari khan bi choi cholai dishe aro properties kan bi vandalize kuri dishe koi kana janai dishe Manipur Chief Minister bra Chwagali Tuesday dende chanai dia ase ke bombra hamla gora laka mamla doile National Investigation Agency kan ge investigation guribo karne handover kuri dishe kwala bi janai dishe ajila khobor iman de rakhi dia ase chiji kumba manu nutun sai thakile morom bra subscribe like aro share kuri dibi koina request kuri dia ase thank you